Friends, every day around thousands or more than thousands of people, they start their English learning journey. They start this journey with so much excitement because they are too keen, they are too curious to learn this language, to speak English language. Because when they see someone who speaks a fluent English, they get fascinated about this language, and they want to start speaking English. And for this purpose they start their journey with lot of excitement, with lot of confidence. But after some time, when they reached at somewhere, then they just give up. Why it happens? And friends, it's natural that is happening. Because friends, behind this there is very great reason, there is very big reason, and you should know about this reason, why it's happening, why after reaching at some point, why after reaching at intermediate level, why so many learners, why they are not getting any kind of improvement, why it's happening. Because friends, after reaching at some point, after learning basic things about this language, okay, we just feel bored, we just feel that this journey is too boring, I can't continue this. It's very difficult for me to be consistent on this journey because spending my whole day, spending my entire day with this language and speaking lot of people, I can't tolerate this. It's give me so much pain. I can't bear this. And possible for me to continue this journey with that passion to this entire journey. And that's why they feel that now it's time to give up, now I should give up because I can't be a fluent English speaker. You know friends, behind this only two reasons. The first one, you want results in just a very short period of time, and the second one, you are not too serious, you are not that kind of person who are ready to do everything for this language. Every time you thinks about your comfortable zone, you are thinking about your this time situation, in what type of condition you are right now. But you are not the one who is visualizing dreams in front of his eyes. You have any kind of dreams or not? If you have, then just close your eyes and first time, at least one time, visualize and try to feel that moment. How much happiness you will get after reaching at that point, when you will start, when you will speak, when you will be able to speak fluent English, just like speakers, native speakers, good speakers. And at that time you will never feel embarrassment or regret. You don't feel just like I have to degrade myself, whereas you will feel so much confident, you will feel proud on yourself, and then you should pat on your back that now I have done something. Friends, it's very important. First, consider your problem. Figure out your problem. That this is my problem. I need to work on it. The different kind of learner, they have different kind of problems, different kind of issues to this about this language. Some of them, they are good in grammar, but when it comes to speak, they are not able to speak. Some of them, they have speaking power, okay, they can speak with everyone, but the way they pronounce it sounds awkward. Some of them, their pronunciation is too good, but they make so many mistakes while speaking. And some of them, they feel hesitant They feel unconfident while speaking, even though they have all the knowledge. They can speak, they can do a conversation good, and they don't make any kind of mistakes. Still they are thinking that my English is not good, I'm not getting any kind of improvement. Why, friends? And after some time, and you know, if 100%, okay, they start their journey, then only 10% people, they reach on their last point at advanced level. Otherwise, mostly learners, mostly English language learners, they give up after reaching at intermediate level. Friends, if you want to grow, if you want to improve your spoken English, then after reaching at intermediate level, now you have to do a lot of practice. It's okay, you have done so much practice, you have did so many things, and you explored so many things to learn this language. But now this is the, after reaching at the middle intermediate level, now it's time to work so hard so that you can achieve that. And friends, after reaching at intermediate level, now you should work on your vocab. You have to enhance your vocab. Okay, your memory must need to fill so many vocabs in your brain, in your memory card, so that you can, while speaking, you can use vocabs in order to sound just like good speakers. You have to use advanced structures while speaking. You shouldn't give up. It's not a good sign of a warrior. You are a warrior or you are a loser over here. If you are a loser, then just give up. Then I'm saying that you don't need to start even your journey. If you are taking your first step towards this journey, then at least try to the end, last time, until you achieve something. Don't give up, because friends, it's a very short period of life, and when we achieve something, then it makes us feel proud. We start feeling proud on ourselves. Giving up, it's not a good sign of a human being personality. You shouldn't do this. You are supposed to do a lot of hard work so that you can get your dream, you can achieve your dreams. Friends, as I told you, your circumstance, it doesn't matter. Only the things which matters a lot, your passion, your perseverance, your dedication. And this journey may be inconvenient for you, but after reaching at the fluency, okay, after getting that fluency, then you can see, now it's very convenience for me. Now I'm not feeling that any kind of inconvenient while speaking this language. And friends, that's why I'm saying that don't give up and be continue on your journey, and one day you will definitely get your dreams. You will definitely grab so many opportunities, and one day this world will see that how much fluent you are in your spoken English. And friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.